Hey Utilities community, Jürgen here and
Florian.
Customer Experience guys from SAP. It's time for the Utilities Conference in Basel, Switzerland this time,
That's right.
April 1st to 3rd. And the exciting thing this year is that we will be all talking about the Cloud for Utilities suite of solutions that we are delivering to our customers.
That's right. It will be the main theme of the show. And of course, we will talk about the role that customer experience is playing in there. And you can attend on the pre-conference day, the workshop. We will have a half a day customer experience workshop where we will talk about industry trends. We will talk about what has happened within our development. We want to learn about your projects, right? Your experiences with your end customers. So yeah, we plan to have this as kind of an open format to exchange with you. When the show starts, we will have several microphones where we talk about our customer experience solutions from the suite, from what we do in commerce with our utilities accelerator, and so on and so forth. We'll have 4 or 5 microphones in total, so it's worth stopping by. But that's not all.
We'll also have a 30-minute customer experience presentation in the customer track, so look out for that. In the agenda, where we take a look across the globe, what have other customers already done, and show you the roadmap.
Yeah.
So what's up and coming. Is that all? That's it?
No, that's not all, because this year, I can promise you, this year there will be a giveaway. So find us at the event, meet us, and we have a nice little surprise for you.
All right, that sounds good. See you in Basel.
Bye.